all we need is some cherry tomatoes, some bell peppers, some shallots, some cottage cheese or paneer, some Thai green chilies, these are really hot, use very less, some sesame seeds, some garlic, some coriander or cilantro, some salt and some oregano. We need some olive oil, some soy sauce, some green chili sauce, some chili sauce and some ketchup. So let us start. In a pan I'm going to add some olive oil. Now this oil is really hot. I'm going to add the garlic to it, some Thai chilies. Now I'm going to add some shallots to it. Now this is really hot. I'm going to add some cherry tomatoes. Next I'm going to add some capsicum or bell peppers. Now this is pretty much done. I'm going to add the sauces to it. Ketchup, chili sauce, green chili sauce, some soya sauce or all-in-one sauce. Now this is looking really great, isn't it? Very colorful and nice. Now I'm going to add some sesame, a little bit of oregano and salt as per your taste. Cottage cheese or paneer. Add a pinch of sugar if you wish, some coriander, and this is ready. Serve it fuming hot.